Hello everyone. We're excited to present the ultimate solution for safeguarding your machines, panels, compressors, heat exchangers, and cooling systems. It's fast, it's easy, and it's incredibly effective. Just like humans, machines also need to breathe. To facilitate this, we provide both inlet and outlet air vents for the machines. These vents are equipped with filters to ensure that only clean air enters the enclosure. Currently, traditional filters are like felt, sponge and fiber compressed sheets. While their high porosity allows clean air to pass through, they are unable to restrict the entry of dust, dirt, contaminants, oil mist, and moisture into our machines and equipment. So, our gear, like programmable logic controllers and variable frequency drives, gets contaminated, causing malfunctions and wear and tear. Plus, there's a risk of fires due to the buildup of flammable particles. To clean, we usually use vacuums, air blasts, brushes, or CRC sprays, but these only get rid of loose dust. Sticky contaminants from oil and moisture stick around, and blowing air can push them deeper, making matters worse. Since traditional filters are ineffective, the machines go back to square one pretty quickly. So, what is the usual course of action regarding the filters? Typically, conventional filters are situated inside covers and are not visible externally. Maintaining these filters require considerable effort, involving extensive unscrewing and unbolting. In the case of plastic covers, this process can lead to frame breakage if sharp tools are used. Consequently, when this happens, the vents are left without filters, leaving our machines exposed and vulnerable to issues. Filters are often clogged, causing our machines to struggle with airflow, resulting in heating that can ultimately damage our expensive equipment and PCB cards. These challenges often lead to the neglect of filters, and consequently, breakdowns and maintenance activities become a common occurrence. A young smoker may seem healthy at first, but as they age, smoking can lead to organ deterioration, requiring medical intervention like transplants. Similarly, machines may run smoothly initially but suffer premature failure due to contamination, necessitating frequent maintenance and part replacements. This poses a significant risk despite heavy investment in machines, straining both maintenance teams and budgets. The root cause lies in ineffective filters, but we're here to change that. The solution our product provides is fast, easy, and effective. Our filters are designed to permit only clean air to enter the machine, effectively preventing any contaminants, oil mist, and moisture from infiltrating. Demonstrated here is a motor control panel. To maintain an ordinary filter, one needs to unscrew in order to clean or replace the filter. Our product contains a magnetic plastic filter holder with a filter roll. The filter holder is to be placed on top or the side of the air vent, and filter must be pulled out. The magnetic strips provided with the kit must be placed to hold the filter in place. Installation is completed in 5 seconds. The replacement frequency may vary depending on environmental conditions. Importantly, these filters are externally visible, allowing easy identification of a clogged filter from a distance. It's time to replace the filter now. Simply remove the magnetic strips and pull the contaminated filter down. As soon as the contaminated filter is removed or pulled down, the relationship of the accumulated contamination is over with the machine or panel, and it resumes breathing normally once again. No planning or tools are required for replacement. Just tear the filter with bare hands and dispose it off in the dustbin. Place back the magnetic strips, and the replacement is complete in 5 seconds. A slide slot is provided in the magnetic strip for displaying the date of installation, the due date of change, or any other required information. These filters are available in different widths ranging from 200 mm to 1500 mm. Magnetic strips matching the width of the filter are provided. Filters wider than 700 mm come with 8 to 12 magnetic strips. This complete kit is a one-time purchase. Once the roll is exhausted, you can get a refill filter roll from us. The filter material is eco-friendly and can be disposed of with any waste material. Additionally, it is fire retardant and does not catch fire. In this video, we compare machine conditions using conventional filters and our filter, assessed with white adhesive masking tape. Our filter is mounted on the machine air vent. On the 9th day, we inspect the inside layer of the filter and grill, followed by the outer layer. The performance is clear. The adhesive tape remains clean and white while inspecting inside, proving our filter blocks contaminants effectively. Let's compare conventional filters with our Velum filters. Conventional filters are hidden, can clog, and let contaminants through. In contrast, Velum filters are visible, disposable, and only allow clean air. Additionally, conventional filters require maintenance planning and are hard to install and replace. Velum filters need no planning and are easily replaced in seconds by anyone. They also provide better protection, reduce maintenance costs, and prevent machine downtime. Let's discuss our next product, motor filters. Our filters protect motor components from dust and other contaminants, enhancing performance and longevity. They are easy to install, maintain, and replace. Investing in our motor filters ensures smooth operation, reduces breakdowns, extends lifespan, and minimizes downtime. Contaminants affecting panel health also impact electrical motors. While over 99% are ejected through the fins, about 0.2 to 0.4% contaminate the motor, especially the bearing grease. These abrasive particles cause bearing erosion, corrosion, imbalance, and breakage. Additionally, environmental moisture can accumulate on the armature coil, forming mist and causing short circuits. The cleaning methods used to prevent damage to our motors are similar to vents. Time-consuming and ineffective. Why scrap our motors when we can effortlessly prolong their lifespan by years? The kit includes a magnetic holder for easy attachment to the fan cover in seconds. The thicker filter lasts around 30 days and becomes externally visible when it needs replacement, which takes just 5 seconds. This filter effectively blocks moisture and oil mist. After removing the contaminated filter, the motor remains as clean as when we first installed it. For non-ferrous fan covers, we've included grooves and a rubber ring for secure attachment, even on vibrating motors. The filters come in various sizes from 4 to 12 inches in diameter and the kit includes 12 filters. You can purchase refill filters from us as needed. In this video, we assessed our filters in a metal cutting industry. Before cleaning, motors, panel AC, and radiator outlet were heavily contaminated. The fins of the radiator were covered with contaminants and the fins are invisible. After a thorough cleaning, we installed our filters. The radiator grill was visibly clean. After 8 days of use, the filters effectively restricted contaminants, oil mist, and moisture. The radiator grill remains as clean as when the filters were first installed. Implementing our filters may seem minor, but it has a significant impact. They reduce maintenance, spare part replacements, downtime, and electricity consumption. Importantly, they safeguard machines from premature failure, saving time and money while ensuring equipment longevity and reliability.